Hi, welcome back, my dear student. In order for our application to make payments online, to process payments online, we need some type of API. And for that, we're going to be using PayPal. Now, PayPal has a great website called the developer website and for PayPal, and they allow us to have access to a lot of tools that we can use. All right, so let's go right now and check that out real quick. So let's go developer PayPal here on my best friend Google, and we click on that link, and the link is developer.paypal.com. Now make sure that you're logged in to your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, go ahead and create one. All right, create a real PayPal account, not here, but at paypal.com. Once you create an account on paypal.com, you can come here to this website, and if you're logged into your paypal.com account, when you click when you do this, developer.paypal.com, you're going to be logged in automatically like I was. All right. Now, if you click on dashboard here, we're going to have our dashboard tools. Now, they have changed this website quite a bit since the last time I created this course. So I am actually Edwin from the future coming back to change, to create a new lecture about the new interface. All right. So we don't have to worry ourselves with other things like webhooks or transactions or anything like this because we're not going to be dealing with those here in this course. Our major concern here is actually creating an account, Sandbox account, all right, and configuring our auto return, and I'm gonna show you that very soon. So when you go to accounts here in Sandbox, in the Sandbox category here, you're gonna have a couple accounts here. First of all, there are two types of accounts: business accounts and personal accounts. So we need a business account to set up our store. That's the account that is going to receive the payments from the clients. We also need a personal account so we can test the payments. We can test that actually our application is actually working 100%. All right. So you come here, you click on create account, and you create, let's say, the personal account first. So I'm gonna name this personal, and I'm just gonna say codingfaculty.com. There we go. All right. So this is gonna be the first one there, and we can, do this in a different way. Actually, let's just do this. Code it like this: codingfaculty.com with a G, the right way. Let's create a password. You don't have to give it a name, but I will. And let's give this guy some money so he can go shopping this weekend. Let's give him $10,000. We can give him $1,000,000 if we want to. Let's just put numbers here. I don't know if it allows me to give him a million. I think it allows me to give him any number I want. Let's just make him a little bit more richer, right? Let's give him 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Let's give him $1,000,000. I think I have $1,000,000 there, right? All right. Let's see if it works. Let's create the account. Wow, we gave somebody we have $1,000,000 here to go shopping, guys. Really cool. All right. So let's go ahead and create a business account right here, and let's call this guy business, and I'm gonna say codingfaculty.com. All right, and business. There we go. This guy is broke. We need money in our store, so I'm just gonna give him 20 bucks. All right, because I want to see when we make purchases, I want to see that there. And let's just click create account. All right. So we need this to log in, all right, to Sandbox. So now if you click on this little arrow here, you can get more information here. You can go to profile here real quick, and you can change some things here. All right. So this is your API that you can play around with it once you get to know your you play around more with APIs in the future. Some funding, credit card number, you can use a credit card and all that. Don't be using my credit card. All right, use your own. All right, and we have some settings here. All right, we don't have to deal with those now, but just for your information. So now this link for some reason it's not working 100%. This is usually we go to sandbox.com as I'm telling you right now. For some reason, if I click on login, this is gonna give me an error. I don't know if they have fixed it. Let's log in. So basically that link is going to take you to sandbox.paypal.com. All right, but it's gonna give a whole bunch of different parameters here. All right, so last time I tried it, it wasn't working. Let's try it now. You know, guys, remember that websites are not 100%, and sometimes they have bugs. All right, so for some reason they're having a bug this weekend. Hopefully they can fix it, but I'm gonna show you how to go around that. All right, so let's click here real quick. That's gonna take us to sandbox.paypal, and here we're just gonna input that URL, that email address for the business, because we need to log into the business so we can set up our redirect. And I'll show you right now what I mean. All right, let's put the login information. For some reason, let's see if this works. All right, it's telling me that, it's just telling me if I want to agree. I say yes, and you see we're getting an error here. I don't know what's going on, but that's fine. I don't care. Even, this is a free website that I'm using to test my applications. That's fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come to profile real quick and show you how to go around that. Business, I'm going to copy this email. I don't have to I'm just being lazy right now. But if you go to Sandbox, straight to the website without any parameters, sandbox.paypal.com, and you click here there, click on login, and now you have that there with no parameters on top, hopefully, not a lot. And you type in your password and your business email address for that account, and that should work. There we go. Now we're logged into that business account. As you can see, it says welcome business DS. All right, it took my last name for some reason. I didn't give it to it, but it took it. All right, so this is the regular account that you have on PayPal, usually on paypal.com. You can see there everything looks the same. Remember, this is the Sandbox account. This is not your real account, so make sure when you go to the browser that you see sandbox.paypal there, all right? Now that you are in the business account, we're going to go to Profile, and we're going to go to My Selling Tools, all right? And we are going to go to Website Preferences, all right? This brings customers back to my website after they pay with PayPal. That's exactly what we're going to be doing. We're going to set that up real quick, all right? So I'm going to be using a website called playpoppy.com to do that in this course, all right? Or I use that in the lectures. We're going to be using that. So I'm going to click on. You're going to put here your website that you are going to be using, if you have any, because this feature will work, all right, only if we have a server but what was going to happen, we're going to be receiving some data from PayPal when the customer finishes paying for their product. Now, PayPal can only send us that information when we are doing this like this, all right, when we have a domain and a thankyou.php page, all right? So just put whatever if you don't have a website, just put anything you want there, /thankyou.php page, all right? Thank you _you.php, all right? You can leave it the way it is, guys, all right? It's just, don't worry about that too much. Later on, you're gonna understand exactly what we're trying to do. And let's just click save here, all right? And voila, you're done, all right? So that's all we're doing here. Just keep in mind that we are going to be, when the customer pays for their product, that's going to go to PayPal. PayPal is going to return some information to us that we are going to be catching later. And we're going to be doing things with that information. We can put it in a database. We can do certain things in our application depending on that data. All right. Now, I'm going to show you that later on. Don't worry too much about it. I just wanted you to have a really good overview of it. All right. But if you don't have a website, like I said, just put anything there. And I'll show you later what you're going to do. You could put your localhost /thankyou page there. All right. Anyway, we're done with this lecture. Let's jump to the next one. Take care.